In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen looks at the elderly fighting non-communicable diseases through exercising. However, one medical doctor advises that persons should not wait until they start aging to get on a program.
Gym instructor RAPHAEL Royal says these ladies are 60 years and older and are all dedicated to their exercise activities. Most of the ladies visit the gym at least 3 times per week. They come for various reasons, whether it be trying to keep their non-communicable disease such as diabetes and hypertension under control, or simply trying to stay fit.
Keeps me looking young and younger, yes.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I will be 62 in December.
How long have you been exercising?
I have been exercising for years, but recently I have been intensely exercising.
Strengthening your arms, strengthening your core, and strengthening the legs, doing, things.
RAPHAEL Royal is the proprietor of RAPHAEL Gym, which has been operating for the past 27 years. He says a big challenge is when persons start the gym activities after retirement age.
Sometimes you have to have a hands-on situation with them. You most times have to be with them one away. When I say almost like a baby stage, you have to take them from scratch and even hold their hands to stretch them. You have to use their knees and bend the knees and extend the knees and flex the knees and do it in a timely way. You really have to be very gentle with the older folks.
Family physician Dr. Clement Williams thinks persons should start sooner.
Going into your 40s, you should try to be at the right weight for height. That's so that when you are in your 50s, then you're not so much on that road to try to reduce back your body mass index, because by then chronic illnesses like hypertension and diabetes will set in.
But better late than never. For Mr. Royal, the results are still good.
For instance, right now we have people who are 70, and when I look at how they behave, look at how they perform in the gym, I am almost certain that they're going to live to at least 90 years.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.